Welcome back to my channel, Gardening Enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic for you, how to grow big tomatoes, secrets to giant harvests. If you've ever wondered how some gardeners manage to grow those enormous, juicy tomatoes, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll share some expert tips and tricks that will help you achieve a bountiful tomato harvest. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest gardening tips and hacks. Let's get started. The first step to growing big tomatoes is selecting the right varieties. Look for indeterminate types like beefsteak, brandywine, or Cherokee purple. These varieties continue to grow and produce fruit throughout the season, giving you a larger harvest. Tomatoes thrive in warm and sunny conditions. Ensure they receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Plant them in well-draining soil enriched with compost or organic matter. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, so consider using organic fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. Pruning is essential for directing the plant's energy towards fruit production. Remove the lower branches and suckers, allowing the plant to focus on developing larger tomatoes. Use stakes, cages, or trellises to support the plants, preventing them from sprawling on the ground. Proper watering is crucial for big tomatoes. Water deeply but less frequently to encourage deep root growth. Mulching around the plants helps retain soil moisture, regulates temperature, and prevents weeds, ensuring your tomato plants stay healthy and productive. Keep an eye out for common tomato pests like aphids and hornworms. Use natural remedies like neem oil or companion planting to deter pests. Additionally, be vigilant against diseases like blight. Proper spacing, good airflow, and regular inspection can help prevent these issues. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, harvesting your big, juicy tomatoes. Wait until they reach their full color and slightly give when gently squeezed. Use sharp pruners to cut the tomatoes from the vine, ensuring you leave a small stem attached. And there you have it, folks, the secrets to growing big tomatoes. By choosing the right varieties, providing a suitable environment, proper care, and timely harvesting, you'll be enjoying giant, flavorful tomatoes from your garden in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gardeners, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and until next time, take care and keep growing.